Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Yeah. You go, come on. Come on. Hey, come on. No, don't crawl. Get up. No. You was just walking. All right, look over here. Come on this way. Not on the wall. You don't fell down again. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hiya. Okay. All right, you ready? I'm going to let go now. Here you go. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Yay! Good job, Alon.
All right, everybody. That was the show. We're going to try to get it going some more, but that's officially what we would call her first real steps.